I've always known myself as whenever I was young, I thought I could do everything, but something I lacked in myself was that, oh my god, I just don't have that belief. I have that confidence, but not the strength to do something. I knew my capabilities, but something I really lacked was belief. Belief in myself, belief in that, yes, I could do it, right? And to be honest, if I speak, anything, if you have to turn it into an achievement, like if it's your struggle or anything, you actually have to work hard for it. And before working hard, you have to believe in yourself. Like a year ago, if I talk about myself, I couldn't believe that, oh my god, I'll be standing here at TEDx in front of you all. But it took me time. It took me belief in myself that yes, you could do it. Once I was just looking, like last October, if I talk about, there was an conclave in my school wherein people were creating graphic designs on Canva. Canva is basically an application wherein you create designs, like graphic designs and everything. So I just thought, how could people are so capable that they're designing such good posters on Canva? And why can't I do it? That night, I just decided to give it a try. I thought, why not, let's just try. I made a lot of projects, I made a lot of posters, I deleted, I saved it again. I made new ones, smaller, bigger, but at least I tried. Trying is very important. Whatever I learned from that was that, when you try, it creates a growth, right? After that, I was a part of Veritas Group. So that's basically an organization that conducts MUNs. MUNs is basically where you speak in the UN about different countries. So I was a part, as a head of social media in the secretariat, right? I knew I could do it, but I was still not confident. I reached there, but it wasn't easy for me. I grew, but nothing came in my hand. I had to frame everything on my own, right? After that, I became the Assistant Director General of Veritas MUN 2.0. So Assistant Director General is basically whole of the management of the MUN and everything. I knew my capabilities that time too, but something I still lacked was belief. I came there, I reached the top, but still I was not confident that, am I doing the right thing? No. I was doing the right thing, but I was just not confident, right? I'm just saying, like an ordinary student, being a leader, it's not really easy being a leader, like to an ordinary student if I talk about speaking at TEDx. It takes a lot of a long journey to be where you are. After that, I became the vice head girl of GD Goenka Signature School. For everyone, it was just like a title, okay, she's a vice head girl. But for me, it wasn't a title. It was never a title for me because I knew how much hard work I had put up in that thing. I had votings, interviews, posters, campaignings, everything. Sleepless nights, a lot of hard work, and a lot of determination is what I had in me to just reach till where I am. I'm still an ordinary person, but I truly believe if you believe in yourself, any ordinary student can be a leader, right? After that, when I struggled so much, everything was there in my own hands, I just learned something that is called patience. If you're really patient about yourself, and if you really believe in yourself that yes, you can do it. It also reminds me of the journey of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was not just like he was born and he became the missile man of India. No, he was unstoppable. He believed that yes, I can do it and I am unstoppable. If he could do it, I could do it, then any one of us can do it. And I truly believe that. The road not taken is not easy, I tell you. You have a lot of obstacles in between. But something that you have in yourself is like strength, it's diplomacy, and the belief that yes, I can do it. It's not a rocket science, it's just strength and belief in yourself. That's what makes you, that's what builds you up as such a great personality. My principal in school, she always says that, it's not always like God gives you opportunities. Opportunities never comes in your own hands, right? If you don't have a door where opportunities are knocking your door, build a door for yourself. Build it with strength, paint it with courage, and open it with determination that yes, I can do it. And yes, I'll do it. I still haven't reached where I really want to be, but I still believe in myself that yes, I will. If I am now standing at TEDx speaking, someday I'll reach where, like I've thought of reaching, more higher. But something that I would always remind myself of is that self-belief. Anyone can do it if you have the strength. And it's not that obstacles won't come in your way. Obstacles will come in your way. You'll have so many failures, so many rejections that will come in your way. You'll think, oh my God, I'll just give up because everything is not working out. Believe me, nothing works out until and unless you try. Nothing will work out. You have to try, and you will never have to give up. You still have to try, even if you feel like everything is destructive. I am a founder of a Civis MUN, and when I started my MUN, I had so much failures in my way. Like, I had so much struggles to be, fought for, battles that I fought, registrations failed, I had started from zero. I had no team, I had no guidance, I started from zero. But now, my conference is a conference. It just shows the story of my life. How I started my own MUN, how I allowed others also to actually practice their leadership skills, how I started my journey, and the same way even you could. If I can, you can. You can. I had sleepless nights, I had so much battles to fight, and I was so heartless, but still, I believed in myself. And now I'm standing in front of you all, sharing my story, right? So dream, and dream fearlessly, because no one can stop you from dreaming, right? Believe in yourself, work hard, work really hard that you could reach at this level. You know where you belong. No one would ask you, where do you come from? No. Be so tall that anyone could see, oh my God, you've reached great heights. Yes, if I can do it, if Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam can do it, why can't you? Everyone can. So believe in yourself. Thank you.